Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, click the little bell, that way you'll get notifications any more videos I put out. This video is going to be not for everyone, but the dealer way of doing this takes about 15 hours, I'm assuming. This is the dealer way. You got to pull the whole outer dash, the inner dash, heater plenum, everything. You got to go right to the firewall, steering column, brake booster, all your brake pedals, all that stuff has to come out. That's what it'll look like if you're going to do it the dealer way. Squeeze the two little top sides on the glove box. It'll fall down, pops out. That simple. Get yourself a little interior removal tool and pop this little plastic panel off the side. This is what it looks like. It just pops out. It's got some clips on the back just like that. Get a 7mm socket. You're going to take that screw out right by the kick plate, just under the dash. Right in behind the hinge that was there on the glove box is one, and on the right side is another. 3 bolts. You can now pull that side of your dash back. Go ahead and string it up with a bungee cord or something tied to your seat, whatever you feel necessary. You got to get it back far enough so you can get your hands in there. Then you'll be able to see your heater core when you look in there. You're just going to pull that little floor duct out. Comes straight out. Pull it out and set it aside. Here's your heater core. There's the bar. You're going to have to make 3 cuts in this bar. Little one there, and one there. And then you'll have to cut your heater core pipes. I'll show you a little more in depth in a few minutes here. One cut there, one here, and one there. You got to pull that bolt out as well, and then the bar will come out. This is not at all structural. There's a bolt that holds the fascia on the dash, the bolt hole, sorry, and there's another bolt hole there, and the one that was by the kick plate is right there. And yeah, that's all it does. I'll be welding it back when I'm done, but that's up to you. One cut there, one there, and one there. Then pull your bolts out. The bottom bolts, not the top one. Now that steel bar can come right out. Snip your heater core right there, just above that little tit there. Go ahead and remove the old heater core. Cut your new one about 1 inch shorter so you have room. Then you'll have room to slide your hoses on. You're going to need 2 5/8 hoses to slide on over that, and a couple clamps. This heater core, you want to make sure these clamps the heads are all to the outside. And there's a reason why for that. Go ahead and cycle your blend door then. Go from defrost to vent to floor. And that white wheel moves. Make sure that none of the clamps are touching that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.